Hey guys, it's me, Kevin is Best White Day here. Welcome back to another video. Yes, in this video, we're actually gonna be in this how-to video, I'm actually gonna be showing you guys how to download Lucky Patcher. So Lucky Patcher is an app how you can modify the apps and stuff. I'll explain that more into the video. But before we get started, I want to let you guys know that if you guys are enjoying this series, this how-to series, please let me know by liking the video, subscribing, and comment down below too. Please, I want to know if this is helpful for you. And if you have run into problems, please let me know. I'll try to respond as some as I can. And also, this person actually earned a shout out. I'm gonna give him a shout out right now. So basically, he's this guy. So he reported a problem where he had a problem downloading YouTube Premium. So you see, I want to give a shout out to Fex for telling me that he had a problem with it. I'm sorry for that, my guy, but currently there is no version where where the download feature works. As you can see right here, I also forgot to mention that the download feature doesn't work. Sorry. So yeah. And I want to give a shout out to Viratasing and I'm really bad with names. Shirizikash K. And I want to give a shout out to those people. Thank you for telling me. And yeah, I'm glad it worked for you, my guy. It worked on 1000%. Yeah, I'm glad. I'll enjoy your YouTube Premium, I guess. YouTube Music Premium. But either way, I want to give that the shout out, and let's start with the video. So there's two ways installing this app. In my opinion, I think installing the app using aptode is way easier. But if you guys don't have aptode and you have no idea what it is, I'm gonna put a link at the top right corner where I kind of explain how to download aptode too. There's basically it's a video where I show you how to download 7 Daily Sins and aptode. But I might make a separate video on how to download aptode. If you guys want me to do that, please let me know by commenting down below. Let me know if you guys want me to make a separate video on how to download aptode. But it's gonna be on the top right hand corner if I don't forget. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I gotta tell you, and let's get started. So for me, there's two ways: aptode or browser. If you go to your browser, I'm gonna put a link to the download page. Installer 8.86. You could either do it with this or aptode. I recommend aptode since it's way easier. All you gotta do is go to spell Lucky Patcher, and boom, that's it, pretty much right there. Oh crap, wrong. Okay, my bad, guys. But this is one. So this is the original Lucky Patcher. Do not install this one. This one's fake. This one is real. 3 million downloads. So Lucky Patcher, technically this is the original app. So getting that out of the way, you could download it here, which is going to be a link in the description below. But you also got to install this. And you can see some might say it's a virus, but it is completely safe. For everyone thinks this is a virus, think again. Why would it have many downloads, or you're just not using it, right? I know, same. Yeah, exactly. It's not a virus, guys. So yeah, if you guys want to download this in aptode, I'll put a link in the description below. But for you guys who don't have aptode, you could download it on the browser. Hold up. Yeah, on the browser. So I'm gonna walk you through the step on downloading it through my first link. Alright. You just gotta click that. It may work for you guys, but if it doesn't, please let me know. And oh yeah, by the way, before doing that, before you download that, you gotta get out and open Google Play. Because it's going to be really important, you got to disable this. Disable that. Once you disable that, go back up, go here, and open the app. Technically, all you got to do is just open the app. And once you do that, pretty much that's it. Install. It's going to take you to this screen. All you got to do is click install, and it's installing. This is the way to do it. The first link. This is the one way to do it. And there's plenty of more you guys could do. And if you guys think this is helpful, please let me know in the comments below. And if you guys run into any trouble, please let me know. As you can see, it's installed because the reason why it's installed is because I disabled the play thingy. If it doesn't work for you, you gotta disable. You gotta go to your Play Store and disable Play Protect. You gotta disable that. or yeah, you gotta disable that. And as you can see, if you haven't seen it, there's this little thing that pops up that said it's safe, it's clean. So I have Bitdefender, right? We're gonna use it right now, and we're gonna scan. All safe, okay? So once you do that, this is the first way to download it. So once you do that, you're gonna see this app, right? But you're not done there yet. You gotta open this app, and it's gonna tell you allow. You got allow, agree to consist. So I disagree. I always disagree with that. Yeah, but it's not that. You just disagree with that and just click OK. Yes. Technically, this is downloading the app. It's preparing the application, and you may get updates. And this is thing that pops up saying if you want to update it. Don't click it. Not yet. Once you install this app, so it's gonna do this. It might take a while, but yeah, this is the other way. Just click settings. Oh yeah, you're gonna have to click settings, and that enable allow resources, and install. So by the way, this may be different for you guys because I have Android Pie. So I have Android 9.0 or 9 Pie. Android Pie tech. Yeah. And this is gonna install. It may take a while, but trust me, it's worth it. Open, and once you open the app, the actual Lucky Patcher app, it's gonna ask you to delete LP installer. Click yes, absolutely delete, because you don't need that anymore. And yeah, pretty much that's it. It's gonna kick you out, but then just open back in, and done. And there's also another way too. Sorry for that pause. There's another way too. You can download it through aptode, which is so much easier. Well, it's actually faster. All you gotta do is go to aptode. As you can see, it's installed. But what you gotta do is this. First thing first, just open aptode. If you guys don't have it, I'll put a link in the description below so you guys could download the aptode and click install. So this is way faster because it installs. Yeah, it's boom. You see LP installer, install, do the stuff I just did, and boom, you got it. And that's pretty much it. So now we're gonna run over the features of Lucky Patcher. Now, what Lucky Patcher has is gonna ask permission and rewrite. We need workable files. Without Lucky Patcher will not work. So technically, it's gonna ask, right? So allow files. Location, what? I mean, this app is a bit sketchy, so I always deny this. I don't want to allow my location. Allow to manage phone calls? Hell no. Nope. Okay, click do not show again. And oh, my bad. Don't click yes. The official website is no. It shows a lot of no ads, so you guys gotta stay protected out there. It might not show for you guys because you probably have don't ask again, deny. So deny those two, location and phone calls. Deny those. Disagree. Alright. So once you've done that, you're now able to modify apps. So let's say you wanna first I'm gonna download some apps, right? I'll be back with you guys right now. So we're back. Yes, I'm back. So I installed Try Ice Cream 1. So with Ice Cream 1, you're gonna open this and you're gonna click menu of patches. This is the tools. Do not use tools. Tools are useless. If you're a nerd, then if you know what to do, then yeah, tools. Do not use this, guys. Do not use tools. All right. So what you gotta do is go menu of patches, open APK file. If you guys want to remove Google Ads, okay. First option, how to buy apps. So let's say enter an app purchase. So click menu of patches, create a modded file. And let's click this one right here. APK rebuild for in-app and LVL manipulation. Sorry for that. Let's go back into the app. Alright. Back into the app. Alright, hold up. Either way, guys, there's gonna be some examples I'm gonna show you. So the first example is gonna be how to remove Google. First is gonna be how to get paid apps. So how to basically, let's say you gotta pay, right? You gotta pay to remove ads, but you got no money. Well, you could do that. So you could technically buy an in-app purchases without actually paying, right? So you go to create modded file, this one, rebuild, and then wait. Don't show again, alright? And then do that. Oh crap, my bad. Alright, wait. We're just gonna wait, right? We're gonna speed this up a little bit. Alright guys, I'm back. So basically you're gonna get this. So this is what happens, alright? So support and app purchases thingy. So basically it's mostly 3 or 2, but it depends with your luck. So go to file, you gotta uninstall and then install it again. So it's not that hard. Once you get it, make data backup. Nope, yes, install app, install. Okay. Yes, it's installing the app and it's gonna install it again. So basically, what this is doing is that, oh yeah, enable this because it's gonna allow you to, modify the app that you want to modify. So it's gonna get this installer thingy happen, but it's cool, you see, and then install. So basically, what I'm installing right now is the modded version. Now that means that I'm basically able to pay, but really not. It's like coding kind of. It's like coding the app, tricking the app, thinking that you paid, but really you didn't. Now that's actually seems really smart. I mean that's how I see it, but I mean it is cool, right? You see, and once that happens, right, you go to ice cream one. Let's open the app. So once opening the app, now we get this. Color names. Alright, I'm back, man. So there are ads. There are ads in the games, as you can see. At least, I think this might work. There we go. So we're gonna go to settings. Okay. Ads. Oh no, what? No ads. Oh, there's an ad. So settings. Okay. Remove ads. There we go. So let's say we want to remove ads, right? This is gonna show up an app purchase hack. So do you want to try? Do you want to try to get one of these items for free? I recommend. So technically, to disable auto repeat, you must select the app's tools to remove. Blah, blah, blah. So you guys don't need this. For the best results, you must make a patch to Android signature verification that is always true. To disable this hack switch. Okay, so basically, let's say you want to purchase this, right? So it's gonna save purchase for restore, and auto is gonna technically save that purchase, and always enable those two and click yes. Thank you. The purchase has been complete. As you can see, it tricks the game thinking now there's no ads. I mean, so pop-up ads, which is cool. So yeah, let's give yep. And yep, that's the cool thing about aptode. I mean, not aptode, Lucky Pacher, that you can hack any app, but not the system apps, but any apps that you could download and you can hack them. And there's more too. There's more features the app has. So there's this one feature, one of my favorite features, where it removes the Google ads. This might happen, might kick you out, but just open it again. So let's say you like an app, right, and it has Google ads in it, right? Okay, first let's open the app, right? Let's open number 2, candy number 2, or ice cream number 2. Hold on, let me look for it. Ice cream 3. Ice cream 3. Let's open this one. So this app contains ads, as you can see. Just telling you guys, I'm telling the truth. Skip the intro. No one cares about that. And boom, as you can see. Wait. We gotta wait for the game to load. I don't know what's taking so long. Come on. There you go. It's loading. Ice cream 3. So here it is. Ice cream 3. Let's wait. We might get an ad. Yes, we got an. Oh wait. Settings. Alright. Remove ads. You see, guys, we cannot purchase this. Alright. Wait for it. Okay, that's not gonna do anything. So, what happened? As you can see right here, this is gonna open up, right? Obviously, not because we got no money. I'm broke. Okay? So technically, I cannot buy anything. To try again later. All right. I think it froze. Okay. So the app froze on me. This ad. Nobody. So screw TikTok, man. Rest in peace, TikTok. But either way, enough of that. I don't use TikTok, but yes, no, since we have ads, there's a way to do it. What we gotta do is, let me close out this app, and that, and go here. Let's go back to here. So basically, let's say we want to remove ads, right? Go to menu with patches. That's what it's called, Lucky Patcher. APK mod file, APK without Google Ads. And what this is gonna do is that you could select any of these, but I recommend the default and APK there. So technically, it's gonna change the app and it's gonna get rid of the Google Ads. System UI is responding. Wait. So system UI is not responding. That's weird and odd. And yeah, okay. Technically, it's destroying. It's not. It's safe, guys. All right. So technically, it's gonna load, and I'll be back. All right, guys. We gotta wait for this load. Guys, we're back, and as you can see, it's packing it into an APK file. So obviously, you just gotta go through this process, and it's gonna be done in a little bit. And by the way, if you guys want me to make I'm not sure, but either way, I think I'm gonna leave this video like this. Okay. Okay, so technically, yeah, that's all the patches you have for now. These are, hold up. So the most important patches you're probably gonna use is the APK without license verification, APK without Google Ads, and APK rebuild an app. Those three right here. Those three. The 2 green and 1 blue, 1 light blue. You're probably gonna end up using those. So those are easy. Just gotta modify it, and that's it. And that's all for this video. How to download it. It was fun. I like this video, and I might make more how-to videos. And yeah, obviously I'm gonna make more. If you guys want me to make more how-to videos or need help with, comment down below. Like, what videos what else you want me to make? Cause I'm willing to, And you can also get a shout out too. Yeah. Just all I have to do is comment shout out, and you gotta comment shout out, and yeah, pretty much it. But either way, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please drop that like, subscribe, and hit that bell, and turn on post notifications to get notified when I upload. And well, that's gonna do it for this video. And remember,
1, 2, 3, come on!